Okay, this is my Craftsman Atlas lathe. I haven't had it very long, just got it set up, just really started using it in the last day or two. I'm machining some aluminum. I really don't know the alloy on it. It's a 4.5-inch diameter tube, and I'm having chatter in the machine, that's why I'm making this video. So I'm going to make a cut. I'm going to go in, let me go in like 10 thousandths, and I'm feeding in back here. They're starting to chatter. Back out. All right, let me take like 5 thousandths, 8 to 3. And you can see the speed I'm feeding is not too great. Okay, so here's my antique other Craftsman. Okay, so this is the question I have. If you see, let me, okay, there's some backlash here, there's some slippage. This pulley is not, and I had it on a lot slower speed, and it was stopping the motor so you could see it, but this gear is on the shaft tight, but my pulleys are not. Let's see if it, okay, if you can see that wiggle there. So the pulleys are attached to this back gear, or whatever this gear is called, but it's not so that wiggle, the pulley is loose from the shaft, it's wiggling back and forth. This is staying stationary and the pulley is wiggling. So I don't know how to tighten that up. If anybody has any suggestions, I will post this on Home Shop Machinist, and I hope somebody knows what the problem is. And there's my lathe, and I built that table there. Quite a project just to build the table. It's a 3/16" steel top that I welded some angle iron underneath to stiffen it, and then I leveled the machine on it. So anyhow, there's the rest of my shop. All right, thanks a lot.